Hello friends, so today in this video we will go through one more question which was asked in GATE 1990. So the question is, in a junction diode, and options are: A, the depletion capacitance increases with increase in reverse bias; B, the depletion capacitance decreases with increase in reverse bias; C, the diffusion capacitance increases with increase in forward bias; and D, the diffusion capacitance is much higher than the depletion capacitance when it is forward bias. So before answering this question, we need to know some basic of capacitance. So we know that diode capacitance is of two types. One is known as a diffusion capacitance, and another one is a depletion capacitance, right? Sometimes depletion capacitance is also named as a space charge capacitance, or a transition capacitance, or a junction capacitance, right? So now to answer this question, we need to understand, or we need to go through some basic relations. First I will go through this depletion capacitance, right? So let me denote it as a C subscript small d, right? So for the depletion capacitance, we know that the equation is 1 over CD whole square is proportional to reverse bias voltage, right? It can also be written as CD square, or CD is inversely proportional to 1 over under root V of R. So from the equation 1, we can clearly see that once we increase the reverse bias voltage, the depletion capacitance decreases because it is in inversely proportional relationship, right? So this is what given in option number B, right? So as we increase the reverse voltage or reverse bias, the depletion capacitance decreases. And similarly for the diffusion capacitance, let me denote it as a C and subscript capital D. So the diffusion capacitance is denoted as a C subscript D is tau ID over eta Vt, right? And here ID is equal to Is e to the power of Vd eta Vt minus 1, right? So this is equation for diode current. So from this equation we could see that the diode voltage Vd is directly proportional to the diode current Id. So as we increase the diode voltage, right, the diode current increases. And from here we can see that the diffusion capacitance is directly proportional to the diode current ID. So as we increase the diode voltage, diode current increases, and once we increase the diode current, as a result the diffusion capacitance also increases. So from this overall equation we found out that as we increase the forward bias voltage or a biasing voltage in a forward bias, the diffusion capacitance increases. So this is which is given in statement number C in the question. And one more thing that we need to understand, and that is the depletion capacitance, right? So let me write it down: CD, CD, and CD. So the depletion capacitance in reverse bias, depletion capacitance in unbiased condition, and depletion capacitance in forward bias condition. So the depletion capacitance in reverse bias condition is less than the depletion capacitance when there is no biasing. Similarly, the depletion capacitance in forward bias is more than the depletion capacitance when there is no biasing. So this is the relation between the depletion capacitance in reverse bias, unbiased, right, and forward bias condition. right? So when we compare this depletion capacitance with the diffusion capacitance, then we would see that the diffusion capacitance in forward bias is much higher than the depletion capacitance in any of the biasing, right? In forward bias, reverse bias, whatever it is, the diffusion capacitance value is much higher as compared to the depletion capacitance. So this is what the statement is given in option D. So we will see now the question. So yeah, so finally we got the answer of this question is, so the answer of this question is, first is B, right? So the depletion capacitance decreases with increase in reverse bias, because as I said, the depletion capacitance, which is C of D, is what? Inversely proportional to under root VR. So as VR, C1 of CD square is proportional to VR. So right, so here as we increase the reverse bias, the depletion capacitance decreases, and the answer would be C as well, because the diffusion capacitance increases with increase in forward bias, because C of D is directly proportional to I of D, and I of D is proportional to V of D. So as we increase the forward bias, the current in forward bias, that is ID, increases, and the diffusion capacitance is also increases. So it is directly proportional, so diffusion capacitance increases with increase in forward bias. Similarly for D, because this is also the correct answer for this question, so D, as I have mentioned in the last section, that the diffusion capacitance is much higher than the depletion capacitance in forward bias. So the right answer for this question would be B, C and D. Thank you.